Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English reading practice series. Today, we continue our library story with Part 5, Leading Through Action. In Part 4, Alex learned the importance of teamwork, leadership, and responsibility while working on a special project with his friends. Now, a new opportunity awaits him. Alex joins a leadership program where he will learn how to help others, solve challenges, and make a positive impact in his community. Let's begin Part 5. A few days after receiving their project certificates, Alex and his friends returned to the library for another exciting meeting. The librarian welcomed everyone and thanked them for their hard work during the previous reading project and presentation activities. She explained that a new leadership program would begin for students who wanted additional opportunities for growth and responsibility. Many participants appeared interested because the program offered valuable experiences beyond reading and encouraged personal development through practical activities. Alex listened carefully while the librarian described the goals and expectations of the leadership program for all interested students. Participants would learn about teamwork, communication, planning, and decision-making through projects designed to improve confidence and leadership abilities. The opportunity sounded exciting because Alex wanted to continue improving the skills he had developed during the reading challenge. After the introduction ended, students were invited to join the program voluntarily. Several participants registered immediately, including Alex and friends. The librarian seemed pleased to see such enthusiasm among the students, who wanted to continue learning and growing together. During the first session, participants completed activities designed to identify their strengths, interests, and personal goals for future development. Alex discovered that he enjoyed organizing tasks, helping others, and encouraging teamwork during group activities and shared learning experiences. The results surprised him because only months earlier, he rarely participated in group discussions or projects with other students. The librarian explained that leadership often begins with small actions and positive habits practiced consistently over long periods of time. Those words inspired Alex to think differently about his own potential and future opportunities for growth and personal achievement. After a short discussion, students formed small teams to complete a planning exercise focused on solving real-world challenges. Each team received a different situation, requiring thoughtful analysis, cooperation, and creative problem-solving within a limited amount of time. Alex worked closely with his teammates, sharing ideas and listening carefully to different opinions and perspectives before making suggestions. The activity encouraged participants to communicate effectively while respecting different viewpoints and working together toward common goals and solutions. As the discussion continued, Alex noticed that his confidence was increasing with every contribution he made to the group. The team successfully completed their task and presented their solution before the other participants attending the leadership program session. The presentation received positive feedback because the team demonstrated strong cooperation and clear communication throughout their planning process and discussion. The librarian praised their effort and highlighted several strengths shown during the activity, especially teamwork and careful decision-making. Alex felt encouraged by the feedback and became even more determined to improve his leadership abilities through future activities. Over the following weeks, participants attended additional sessions focused on communication, planning, responsibility, and supporting others during collaborative projects. Each session introduced valuable lessons that could be applied both inside and outside the library environment and learning activities. Alex began helping newer participants feel comfortable during meetings by welcoming them and answering their questions whenever possible. The simple act of helping others strengthened his confidence and reinforced many leadership lessons he was learning through the program. Several students appreciated his kindness and willingness to offer support whenever needed during projects and discussions inside the library. As another session ended, the librarian announced an important team challenge that would begin very soon for all participants. Walking home that evening, Alex felt excited about the upcoming challenge and the opportunities waiting ahead for him and friends. The following week, participants returned eagerly to the library to begin the important team challenge announced during the previous session. The librarian welcomed everyone and explained the challenge. Teams would work together to organize a community reading event for students. The project required planning, communication, teamwork, and leadership. Every group would design activities encouraging more students to enjoy reading regularly. Alex and his teammates immediately began discussing ideas. They wanted their event to be educational, engaging, and enjoyable for everyone. Several suggestions were shared, including book discussions, reading games, creative activities, and special presentations from challenge participants and volunteers. The team carefully evaluated each idea before selecting the best options for their community reading event and future activities. Alex helped organize responsibilities, ensuring every member received a meaningful task matching their strengths and interests within the project. His teammates appreciated his leadership because he encouraged everyone to participate and listened respectfully to different opinions and suggestions. Over the next several days, the team met frequently inside the library to prepare materials, schedules, and activity plans for visitors. Each meeting strengthened teamwork and improved communication among the group members, working toward a shared objective for the event. As preparation continued, Alex noticed how much more confident he had become when leading discussions and making important decisions. The challenge taught valuable lessons about responsibility, patience, and supporting others during complex projects requiring cooperation and careful planning together. Soon, the day of the community reading event arrived, and excitement filled the library from morning until the afternoon. Students from different classes visited the library to participate in activities organized by the challenge participants and their teams. Alex welcomed visitors warmly and introduced several reading activities designed to encourage curiosity, creativity, and learning through books and stories. The event quickly became successful as students participated enthusiastically in discussions, games, and activities prepared by the various teams. Many visitors expressed appreciation for the effort and organization demonstrated throughout the event by every participant and volunteer. Alex felt proud watching students enjoy the activities because the project reflected weeks of teamwork and careful preparation. The librarian congratulated everyone for creating such a positive experience for the school community and library visitors attending the event. She explained that leadership means helping others succeed while creating opportunities for learning, growth, and meaningful shared experiences together. Those words remained in Alex's thoughts as he continued helping visitors throughout the remainder of the community reading event. By the end of the day, many students had borrowed books and expressed interest in future library activities and programs. The event exceeded expectations and demonstrated the positive impact teamwork can create when people collaborate toward a common purpose. After cleanup was completed, the teams gathered together to reflect on their experiences and lessons learned throughout the challenge and reading project. Many participants shared stories about personal growth, confidence, and new friendships developed during the leadership program and reading activities. Alex realized that every challenge had helped him become more confident, responsible, and capable of helping others achieve success. The librarian thanked participants for their dedication, effort, and willingness to support the library and school community through service and reading project. Everyone received recognition certificates, celebrating their contributions and successful completion of the Leadership Challenge and Community Reading Event project. Walking home that evening, Alex reflected on the journey that began with a simple visit to the library months earlier. He smiled proudly, knowing that reading, friendship, leadership, and learning would continue guiding him toward many future opportunities and adventures. Thank you for joining today's English reading practice. This was part 5, Leading Through Action. Through teamwork, leadership, and service, Alex discovered that true leadership is about helping others succeed. Every challenge helped him grow stronger, wiser, and more confident. Keep reading, keep learning, keep growing. See you in part 6. Happy reading!